Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mix protein powder in milk. First, understand that adding powder directly to an empty cup often leads to frustrating clumps. Our goal is a perfectly smooth, delicious shake every time, ensuring you get all the benefits without any gritty texture. This method is designed to make your protein preparation effortless and enjoyable, so let's get started. The crucial first step is to always add your liquid first. Pour about 8 to 12 ounces of cold milk into your shaker bottle. Using cold milk is important because it helps prevent the protein powder from sticking to the sides and bottom, making for a much cleaner and smoother mix. This simple change makes a huge difference. Now, carefully measure 1 serving of your protein powder. Instead of dumping it in, gently spoon the powder onto the surface of the milk. This allows the powder to sit on top of the liquid, rather than sinking and clumping at the bottom. Taking this extra second ensures a much better dispersion when you start shaking. Finally, secure the lid tightly on your shaker bottle. Shake vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds, or until the mixture is completely smooth and lump-free. You'll notice the difference immediately. For more great tips and deals, including that Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener, check the description below. Enjoy your perfectly mixed, delicious protein shake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.